Hi everyone, hope you're well. So now behind me, you are watching right now my backyard chickens having dust bath. So I am enjoying too this moment because my all chicks are now happy and healthy, and here is the sunlight coming. So they are also enjoying this moment because this is needed for their ready baby bodies because we know that sunlight has vitamin D, so that they need to this vitamin. This is why they are enjoying the sunlight. Maybe look, they are also finding food from this field, and look, if there is any danger, the mother hen alert her chicks to hide. Okay, look, they are going now into this jungle.